In a world where millions of videos are uploaded daily, finding success on YouTube can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, we've got the secrets to help you stand out and grow your channel. First, choosing the right niche is crucial. Pick something you are passionate about, but also consider its demand. It should be a balance between what you love and what people are searching for. Once you've chosen your niche, consistent content creation is key. Create a schedule and stick to it. The more often you upload, the more chances you have to reach an audience. Next, understanding YouTube's algorithm can give you a significant edge. The algorithm favors videos that have good watch time and high engagement, so focus on creating content that keeps people watching and encourages them to like, comment, and share. Engaging with your audience is another vital aspect. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that addresses their questions and interests. This builds a loyal community and increases your channel's visibility. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of optimizing your video's titles, descriptions, and tags. Use relevant keywords to make your content discoverable. A catchy title can draw viewers in, a detailed description provides context, and well-chosen tags help with searchability. With these tips, you're well on your way to YouTube success. So grab your camera, start filming, and watch your channel grow. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint, so stay motivated and keep creating.